So let's just see how we can update documents in MongoDB. So currently we are in the VS Code editor, and here inside we have this student database which has this details collection, and inside the collection we have 3 documents which contains the details of the student like their name and age. Now let's see how we can update their details. So there are 2 methods we can use to update. We have the updateOne method. So this will update the first document that matches the filter, and also we have updateMany method. So this method will update all the documents that matches the filter. So here we're just gonna open MongoDB shell, and here we have to run all of our commands. So you can see we have this student database. So let's just use that student database. Now here we can write the commands to update the student database. So first of all, let's just write the command. So we have to write db dot, then the name of the collection which is details dot, and then we have to call the method updateOne. Now this method will take 2 objects. First one is the filter and second one is the update. We're gonna filter by the name. So this method will find and filter the document where the name is John, and we're gonna update that. So we're gonna set, and we're gonna add another key value like is active, and we're gonna make it true. So this method will look inside the details collection, and it will filter and find the first document where the name is John, and it will update that document, and it will set one new field is active true. So here we're gonna copy paste and execute. It has found 1 match and modified 1 document. So if we look at the name is John, so this document matches that filter, so it has updated that document and added this is active key value pair. Similarly also we can use name Sam, and here also we're gonna set this key value pair. So let's just copy this and paste it here. So here also only 1 document matched and modified that document. So if we look at it, so here you can see the name is Sam and it has updated with this new key value pair. And also we can use updateMany to update multiple documents. So we're gonna use the filter as is active. So wherever the is active is true, so we're gonna update and we're gonna make the is active as false. So let's now copy this and execute. So here it says 2 matches found and modified 2 documents. So here the is active updated to false, and also here also the is active updated to false. So multiple documents have been updated with this updateMany method. And also we can use other update operators to perform more complex update. So let's now increase the age of all the students by 10 years. Like an example, here we can just remove this. Now this empty curly braces will match all the documents. We're gonna increase the age property of all the documents by 10 years. So let's now execute that. It matches 3 documents and also modified 3 documents. So here the age is incremented by 10 years for all of the students. So this is the way we can update single or multiple documents, and also we can perform complex updates in MongoDB. So hope you understand the concept. We'll see you in the next one. Take care.